Kakinhon Menteri ke Sorkar MDA2 ha kasipauter iku kola lengkot araja arpusan kabalapan long ha Sohra kala Mynjur ya ke minimum wage badang pen Thymmai pat penhe ya ke jinglum khajna ban penmento ya palat prapusan hajar ngot ki Nongbylla Sngi ha Meghalaya. Menteri rangba ukonrot kisang ma ulaong baka minimum wage ya ki Nongbylla ki bahap ha kerdan highly skilled kin yo menta henrius pa 10% tingka na kesan spa prapun tingka shisngi ki skill kin yo henrius pa san tingka na kesan spa lipo tingka shisngi semi skilled kin yo san spa henriusan tingka na kesau spa nyopusau tingka bat ki unskilled kin yo san spa arpusan tingka na kesau spa khat khandai tingka. Nalor kini Menteri rangba ula pentip baka kenhon Menteri kala Mynjur ban pen kala Thymmai yaka the Meghalaya Buildings and Other Construction Workers Regulation and Employment Condition Rules Arajar pra.
The cabinet has revised the floor rates of minimum wage in Meghalaya today. So those amounts have been increased. We will send you a detailed note of the actual amounts that have gone up for unskilled, skilled, so on and so forth. So the minimum wage for the state has been increased, and that was a very important decision taken today. Second important decision that has been taken today is that we have amended the Meghalaya Buildings and Other Construction Workers Regulation of Employment and Conditions Rule 2008. Now you're aware that we are having a cess, a labour cess amount that is collected. And this amount then is used for the benefit of the labourers. And these are labourers who are registered with the government. And about 85,000 of them are registered. There are different benefits like you get benefits for medical payments, you get benefits if there's some other disabilities, you get payments also for education of children, studying in schools, colleges. So we have enhanced those benefits today. And so with that now, the amendment, the amounts that are going to go to the families and the labourers who are registered under this particular rules, they will get higher benefits now. So details, there are too many of them. We'll send them in a note or something. But I would like to inform you that the cabinet has today decided to increase the benefits for the labourers who are registered under these particular rules.
Kawaipat karai na gajingalang kenhon Menteri ka long halor ka CM Atiar scheme ka program ban Ïarap penyo ya ka yo kahat ka bapelet jingmot kerpang syaki Nongrep ki bump ot na ka banta ki Nongrep kani ka scheme ka thmu ban weng ya ki jing jong ka jing kala ka dor ka mor ka bakta ya ki Nongrep ki baret barya bat ki bahe ajala Meghalaya kham tam ha ka por bahyar bha ka yo kahat ka Sorkar kala rai ban bu ka song pisa ka basis pa klur tingka ban tuklar hakum kini ki khap khnang ba ki Nongrep haba ki shamjing kin yo ka jing kersan bat jing Ïarap laong Menteri rangba.
This CM Assured program is a market intervention scheme for farmers in situations where the market price of the crops, especially the non-perishable, we talk about non-perishable crops, when they are down in the market, the government has decided to keep a corpus of 100 crores to intervene in these situations so that the farmers during this distress are supported and helped. These are being done specifically for non-perishable products, and to be very, very more particular, we have seen that the market price for broomsticks and the market price for areca nut has been very unstable in the last few years, and it continues even today. And therefore, we feel a very strong need for intervention from the government side to be there to procure these products and then resell them, and through the marketing boards, this process to be done. Now, just to share with you, because I don't want anybody to misunderstand this, that we are doing multiple programs and policies and schemes to support our farmers. Processing units so that the farmers' perishable products are not lost is a program where more than 200 plus processing units are being set up. 30 of them are large-scale units where minimum 5,000 to 10,000 farmers in each of these large processing units are being supported. These schemes are there to help the perishable products. So, for example, if you have the jackfruit. You have different fruit products. They've been converted into chips, into juice, into powder, into ice cream. So we are doing interventions for pineapple, packaging and processing being done in Riboy. We're going to have a very large processing unit that's going to come up for ginger in Riboy district, because Riboy is a large producer of ginger. So at multiple levels, interventions are being done to support the farmers. But when it comes to non-perishable products like broomstick and areca nut, there is a limited scope of support, and therefore this system is being conceptualized, and today it's been passed by the cabinet. It is an intervention. It is not any kind of a MSP or any kind of a support. These are purely market interventions based on the market cycle, based on the distress that is there, based on the particular year. These interventions either will be done or will not be done. So it's not that it's going to be done every year at every time, but we felt that it's important to keep a mechanism in place that whenever such distress is there for the farmers, then we can activate this mechanism to then help the farmers so that at least a basic income can come into them. And the marketing board will then figure out how we'll be able to resell this to different parts of the state or the country, and even export the products if necessary.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.